Hello students, today we will learn about DDA line drawing algorithm. DDA is Digital Differential Analyzer algorithm. Graphic software are divided in two categories. First is general programming packages, example C, C++. Second is special purpose application packages, example AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, ProE, ANSYS. And there are a lot of softwares on which we can do CAD modeling and we can also do simulation. Example, on ANSYS we can do CAD modeling and also simulation. So these softwares are working on some algorithms. Suppose we have to draw a line, there will be algorithm for a line. Suppose we want to draw a circle, there will be different algorithm for circle. So today we are discussing for the DDA algorithm and we will understand it by doing numericals. Before solving numerical, we will discuss about the slope and we will also know how to locate the pixel. Slope m equal to tan theta. This is x axis, this is y axis, and there is a line segment having initial point is x1 comma y1, point B x2 comma y2. Tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it is y2, it is y1, it is theta, it is delta y, and it is delta x. So delta y upon delta x. If delta y equal to delta x, then m is equal to 1 and theta equal to 45 degree. If delta y less than delta x, m is less than 1 and theta is less than 45 degree. If delta y greater than delta x, then m is greater than 1 and theta is greater than 45 degree. Now we will understand how to locate the pixel. We will assume this is a computer screen on which numbers are given from left to right, from bottom to top. In actual, numbering is just like this, from top to bottom and left to right. This is an example in which we have to locate a pixel having position 2, 2. So this is 2, this is 2 and this is the location of the pixel. Now we will solve numerical. Question 1, coordinates x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. This is initial coordinate, this is last coordinate. It is 1 comma 1, it is 9 comma 1. So delta x equal to x2 minus x1 equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Delta y equal to y2 minus y1 equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Slope delta y upon delta x 0 upon 8 equal to 0. Now there is a new term, steps. So what is steps? Steps is the bigger value between delta x and delta y. So, we can see that delta x is bigger than delta y and it is 8. So, steps will be 8. X increment, change in x upon steps, change in x is 8, steps is also 8. So, x increment is 1, y increment delta y upon steps, delta y is 0, steps 8, it is 0. So, increment in y is 0. Now, we will draw a table. XY coordinate 1, 1. So, we know increment in x is 1 and increment in y is 0. So, it will be 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1. So, 9, 1 is the last coordinate and it is initial coordinates. Now, we will locate these points on this screen. So, first is 1, 1, 1, 1, this pixel will be selected. Second 2, 1, then 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1 and last is 9, 1. So, line will pass through these pixels. Now, we will solve question number 2. Question 2, x1, y1 initial coordinates are 3, 6, last coordinates are 3, 14. Delta x equal to x2 minus x1, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Then calculate delta y equal to y2 minus y1 equal to 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Slope delta y upon delta x 8 upon 0 equal to infinity. Steps. So, steps will be 8 because delta y is greater than delta x. 8 x increment equal to change in x upon steps. Change in x is 0 and steps are 8. So, it will be 0. Y increment, change in y upon steps, change in y is 8, steps 8. So, there will be increment of 1 in y. Now, we will draw a table. X, y, it is 3, 6. there is no increment in x, so it will be 3, it will be 7, because there is increment of 1 in y. So, we will continue in this manner. X is 3, it will be 8, x is 3, it will be 9, x is 3, it will be 10, we will move up to last coordinates 3, 14, and this is initial coordinates. Now, we will locate these points on this screen. So, 3, 6, 3 and 6, this one, then 3, 7, 3, 8, 3, 9, 3, 10, 3, 11, 3, 12, 3, 13, and last is 3, 14. So, line will pass through these pixels. Now, we will solve question number 3. Question 3, initial coordinates of a line segment x1, y1, 6, 4, last coordinates x2, y2, 14, 9. Delta x, x2 minus x1, 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Delta y equal to y2 minus y1, 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Slope delta y upon delta x, 5 by 8 equal to 0.6. X increment, change in x upon steps. In this case, delta x is greater than delta y, so steps equal to 8. Delta x is 8, steps 8, it will be 1. So, there will be increment of 1 in x. Y increment, change in y upon steps, change in y 5, 5 upon 8 equal to 0.6. So, we can write general term x k plus 1 equal to x k plus 1, y k plus 1 equal to y k plus m. Now, we will draw table. X, y, initial coordinates are 6, 4. So, there is increment of 1 in x and increment of 0.6 in y. So, it will be 7, 4.6, 8, 5.2, 9, 5.8, 10, 6.4, 11, 7, 12, 7.6, 13, 8.2, 14, 8.8. So we cannot locate these coordinates here because here is integer value. So what we will do, we will round off these values. So y round off 4. So after round off it will be 5. It is 5.2. It will be 5 and then 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. These are the last coordinates, these are the initial coordinates. Now we will locate these coordinates here. So first coordinates is 6, 4, 6 and 4, this one. Second 7, 5, 7, 5, this one. 8, 5, 8, 5, 9, 6, 9, 6, 10, 6, 10, 6, 11, 7, 11, 7, 12, 8, 12, 8, 13, 8, 13, 8, 14, 9, 14, 9, 'So line will pass through these pixels. We can see that it is not a straight line, but when we will zoom out, it will look a straight line. Question number 4. Question 4. Initial coordinates x1, y1, 5, 7. Final coordinates x2, y2, 10, 15. So delta x equal to x2 minus x1, 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Delta y equal to y2 minus y1 equal to 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Slope delta y upon delta x, 8 upon 5, it will be 1.6. So m is greater than 1. Steps delta y is greater than delta x, so steps is 8. X increment change in x upon steps, change in x is 5, steps is 8, so it is 0.6. Y increment change in y upon steps, 8 upon 8 equal to 1. Now we will draw a table. X, y coordinates, initial coordinates 5, 7, 5.6 because there is increment of 0.6 in x, and y will be 8. Then 6.2, 9, 6.8, 10, 7.4, 11, 8, 12, 8.6, 13, 9.2, 14, 9.8, 15. So, we will round off these values. X round off 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. Now, we will plot this point here. First is 5, 7, 5 and 7, this one. Second 6, 8, 6, 8. Six, 9, 6, 9. Seven, 10, 7, 10. 7, 11, 7, 11. 8, 12, 8, 12. 9, 13, 9, 13. 9, 14, 9, 14. 10, 15, 10, 15. Next question. Initial coordinates x1, y1, 6, 7. Final coordinates x2, y2, 14, 15. Delta x equal to x2 minus x1, 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Delta y equal to y2 minus y1, 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Slope delta y upon delta x, 8 upon 8 equal to 1. Steps equal to, both are equal, that is why it is 8. X increment equal to change in x upon steps, 8 upon 8 it will be 1. Y increment equal to change in y upon steps, equal to 8 upon 8 equal to 1. Now we will draw a table. X, y, 6, 7. So in both x and y there is increment of 1. So after 6, 7 will come. After 7 it will be 8. 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15. So this is the last coordinates. This is initial coordinates. After this, we will do one more numerical. Question 6. x1, y1 are 14, 15 and x2, y2 are 6, 7. Delta x equal to x2 minus x1 equal to 6 minus 14 equal to minus 8. Delta y equal to y2 minus y1 equal to 7 minus 15 equal to minus 8. Slope delta y upon delta x minus 8 upon minus 8 equal to 1. Steps is the change. So steps is 8. X increment, change in x upon steps. Change in x is minus 8 upon 8 equal to minus 1. Y increment equal to delta y upon steps minus 8 upon 8 equal to minus 1. Now we will draw a table. X, y, 14, 15, 13, 14, 12, 13, 11, 12, 10, 11, 9, 10, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6, 7. So 6, 7 is the last coordinates and this is initial coordinates. Now we will write DDA line drawing algorithm. DDA line drawing algorithm. Slope is delta y upon delta x. Step 1, if slope m is less than 1 is less than 1 and positive and the start point of the line is at the left, then set the increment in x coordinate is unity. Delta x equal to 1. Hence, if xi yi is any point on the line then the coordinate of next point will be coordinate of next point will be x I plus 1 equal to x I plus 1 y I plus 1 equal to y I plus m. If the start point is to the right, the procedure remains the same. The procedure remains the same except that the new coordinates will be obtained using relation x I plus 1 equal to x I minus 1 and y I plus 1 equal to y I minus m. Then step 2, if slope is greater than 1, example m is greater than 1 and start point is at the left, then change in y coordinates, is set to unity and x coordinate is found as follows. Since delta y equal to 1, y I plus 1 equal to y I plus 1, x I plus 1 equal to x I plus 1 upon m. If the start point is to write then y I plus 1 equal to y I minus 1 x I plus 1 equal to x I minus 1 upon m. Now write step 3. If the slope of the line is negative, A. If absolute value of m less than 1, follow the procedure for m less than 1. As explained in step 1, with the modification that one coordinate decreases, and other coordinate increases, B point B. If absolute value of m greater than 1, follow the procedure for m greater than 1 as explained in step 2. With the modification that one coordinate decreases, and other coordinate increases. So this was all about DDA line drawing algorithm. Thank you.